wants us for a sunbeam. Sunbeam. A sunbeam. Jesus wants us for a sunbeam. He wants us for a sunbeam. Gee, look, we both have the same toenails, the same fingernails.
We do.
Yeah, we both have the same.
Mm-hmm.
See? Okay. Jesus.
Jesus wants me
I
for
said
a
don't.
sunbeam
Don't. I
to
said
shine.
don't. I said don't talk or sing. Okay?
You're being sassy.
And I don't talk. I said. And Jesus wants us first thing. Every single noise. Oh. Wait a minute. I have to go get my other guitar.
No, this guitar is fine.
But.
I don't know where your other guitar is, Reese. Just stay out here and play this one. No, just stay out here, sweetie. You don't need to go in and get it. If you go in, you're going into